Hey, yes, I'm good everyone. Welcome to today's Tuesday, December update, 14 December. And we are very out of sync, guys. Me and you, we are probably out of sync. And I'm gonna dive into the SHIB update and then to the Solana update as well. And there's something that I wanna give you, a message that I wanna give you by the end of the video, so stick to it. So first of all, SHIB could probably lose this level. Okay, could probably start to lose that support that it has been holding for a while, and it could go and sink below the earth just a little bit and go down because of Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin, guys. I update about Bitcoin all the time. Okay, here we are. This is Bitcoin. It went a little bit up, but it's very unclear and uncertain what these cryptocurrencies can do. All of a sudden Doge just pumped and it met my target. Look at Doge. Okay, we just went for the Doge coin. It went up to the 0.19, and look at the signals. What I said, 6 December, Doge is safe to buy here, nearly 0.17. Look for 0.19. Thank me later. And you see the targets that I've given on the signal channel. If you're on the Discord, if you're new to the channel, come to the Discord. We're doing the updates as well. And for those people who are confused right now, you see the targets get met sooner or later. It just takes one huge pump and that's it. The target is met. Seriously, it took very few days from 6 December, consolidate, have choppy, and in just one day we just got the target. And this applies for every single coin out there that I'm doing right now. So going back into the SHIB video chart here, sorry, not even Bitcoin, just want to open up SHIB right now. So basically every single coin is mirroring Bitcoin right now, and you can already see it went up and it's making a hammer, which is not a positive hammer. Okay, now what is my take regarding this one? I'm just going to dive into Solana as well, and I'm going to show you Solana. And basically we are just looking at what Bitcoin is doing, and look at what Solana did. This is a support level that I didn't want it to be lost, and it seems it lost that support level, went down, went for the back test. It seems it's getting rejected and going all the way down. So a lot of the coin seems to have that discount. Bitcoin seems to actually be interested to go to the 44,000 and 43,000 region areas. Simple put. And I told you the Bitcoin update is already on the channel. Now there is one confusion between so many people, and this is the message that I would just want to give you out there so that we can clear everything and we cannot get out of sync. Now here, I'm just going to come into a very clear place right here. So the first thing is that we have met all of a sudden. Okay, this channel started and we met all of a sudden. And how I invest necessarily doesn't mean you invest the same way. I've been buying things when they were down there below. For example, SHIB. I'm not buying SHIB when it was at like all-time high to the 7,000s. I've been buying SHIB when it was very low, below down the ground. Okay, that's where we used to take entries. Even most of the coin, I've been here for years now. Some people are new, some people are still old, some people. So this confusion of profile. I'm using risk management. I'm using smart money investments tricks. Okay, I have my own way of investing things. I use the 50-50 rule, which is on the Discord, and I've been telling people, for example, out of that $1,000, I still have $500 which I'm never gonna use, and I'm gonna keep it for emergency purposes. You might be investing all in. You might have $1,000 and you've invested $1,000, all of it. So everyone has their own investing style. Everyone is there. And for me, when I updated today that hold USDT, I just noticed it created a lot of confusion for so many people. Everyone had their own comments, and I summed up one thing so that we can stay on the same page. Do you understand that? And this is the announcement that I had to make. Okay, so I did say this: let's simplify things since we are out of sync with one another. Now what is the out of sync? There's like a zigzag right here right now. Okay, so the market, you bought it here. Okay, you bought it at the high place, and now it's coming down here, and I'm telling you to sell it at the middle point here and buy back when it's down there. Okay, this is what I will do, but it could also not work out. It could also be going towards the upside. Now I have my own way of handling my own butt kicked by Bitcoin, and I can handle it. I have my own way of, you know, recovering things which supposedly you're not gonna have, and I cannot update you live all of a sudden, and because there's so many different coins that I have to update every single day. Now the thing is, you see, in this, for this one, yeah, you might just get out of sync. You might get out of sync. You might be buying here and then you lose your faith. For example, this is September. This is where you bought, okay? It's an example. And then you keep holding, thinking it's gonna go up, but the opposite happens, and now we're gonna go down, 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 and then it goes all the way down. Now this is December. Do you understand that? That's December right there. And from December, you decide to sell it here. So you're creating unsync movement. Like you entered here and you sold here, and now the market is gonna go up again in maybe by April. Now this is April 2022 or March or February next year, and then you're gonna see your coin just recovered there after that huge dip in December that it cannot hold, and then you come in here and you buy it right there. Do you see that? So when you buy it right here again, maybe in September next year or June next year, then again it goes down, and then you sell it here, and then the market goes up. So you are out of the sync. Now this is how I'm gonna sum it up like this. I hope this makes an understanding. You went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. That's how the market moves. You entered higher, you sell low, then you entered high, then you sell low, then you entered high, then you sell low. Now to prevent this out of sync movement, my price prediction for Bitcoin by next year, anytime next year, is still 100k, and heck, even 200k. Okay, that's the end of the bull run for me, and that's a particular target that is going to be met in the future, unless we do not go to $29,000. That's going to be invalidated for a long time. Okay, that's the first thing that I want to get it out of the way. Now what I want you guys to do, since you've already entered here, this is why I said that December might be huge or it might be dumpy. It's unpredictable at this point. True, it's unpredictable. It might even not just dump to 44,000 and go back up. Okay, so let's buy back, hold till April, because I see Bitcoin at 100k next year, and the spot buy. Okay, I'm going to buy on spot. I don't do future trades. Now some people, when I say that sell Bitcoin and hold Ether, some are going to go to the futures and they're going to do 125x. Yes, I want a revenge trade. So that's something out of my control now. Okay, that's your responsibility how you're doing things. Okay, and the coin I will hold till April are the following. Now Link, SXP, Doge, Matic, VeChain, SHIB, Solana. There's some few more, but I just wanted to mention these ones. Now the worst could happen, guys, is Bitcoin dumps today and we don't panic sell. I mean, the panic sell here is going to create that sync, out of sync kind of scenario. If you start selling here, then the market goes up, you're gonna buy here, and then you're gonna buy sell at the top. Sorry, you're gonna buy at the top and sell at the bottom, and it's gonna continue and you're gonna get frustrated. So the only thing that we can do is hold our nerves for the next coming 4 to 5 months, so that we can stay on the same page and we actually recover whatever went down because of Bitcoin at the moment. So it's like you entered at the top, we came all the way down, you stay here, you don't sell anything for this dump, and you wait until April, go back there, recover, and then sell in a profit, and then you go down and then you buy back, you sell it here, this is your S there, this is gonna be your B there, and then we can stay on the same page. So at the moment, guys, this is the last thing that I'm going to talk about. This, whatever you're holding, hold it. If it does go down, buy more, do dollar cost average, and let's stick to that thing. If we change the plan, we're going to eventually fail, and it's just going to create drama for no necessary reasons, guys. And that's it for today's update. Okay, like this video if you enjoyed that one. If you're not on the Discord, join the Discord as well. And I do hope that I solved all the problem in one video, which was quite tricky. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.